The mountains are crumbling. We've been fighting this war too long. Lord, send down your saving grace. Let the wicked turn and sing a new song. We pray for the doves return now. Let peace be our common ground. Only love can heal the nations. Hear the trumpet of redemption sound. Tear down the walls of hatred. Wash away the bitterness and spite. Let us walk hand in hand together, aged by your eternal light. We pray for the doves return now. Let peace be our common ground. Only love can heal the nations. Hear the trumpet of redemption sound.